Okay, so now we are going to solve the question number 3 of exercise 15. The statement of question number 3 is the three sides of a triangle are measured 8, x and 17 respectively. For what value of x will it become base of a right angle triangle? So in solution, we will write lengths of the sides of a triangle. A is equal to 8 and B is equal to x and C is equal to 17. So here are the three sides of a triangle. A is equal to 8, B is equal to x and C is equal to 17. We have to find that are these sides belong to right angle triangle or not. So we will write in case of right angled triangle, we will use the Pythagoras theorem, which is equal to c square is equal to a square plus b square. So by putting the values of c is equal to 17, so we will take the square of 17, and the a is equal to 8, so we will take the square of 8, and b is equal to x, so we will take the square of x. By simplifying them, so the square of 17 is 289 and the square of 8 is 64 and the square of x is x square. So we have to find the value of x, so we will isolate x. 64 is adding the right hand side, so by shifting on left hand side it will subtract. So we have 289 minus 64 is equal to x square. By subtracting 289 minus 64, we will have 225, which is equal to x square. So we have to find the value of x. Here is the x square. So to isolate x square, we will take the square root on both sides. So by taking square root on both sides, here we took the square root of both sides. The square root of 225 is equal to 15, and the square of x square is square root will cancel each out, so x is equal to 15. Thus the base of right angle triangle is 15. As you know, by using the Pythagoras theorem, we put the values c is equal to 17 square and value of a is equal to 8 and the square of b is x square. By taking square, 17 square becomes 289 and the 8 square becomes 64, and if we take the square of x, it becomes x square. To isolate x square, 64 will be shifted on the left hand side, so it becomes subtracted by 289. So by subtracting 289 minus 64, we will have 225, which is equal to x square. To isolate the x square, we will take square root on both sides. By taking square root on both sides, the square root of 225 is equal to 15 and x square root is x. So the value of x is 15. Thus the base of the right angle triangle is 15. By taking the square root 225, we will have 15. So the value of x is equal to 15. The base of right angle triangle is 15.